Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a short video today showing you how to reset the oil change light and the service inspection light on this 2014 Volkswagen Passat. Now we've got this style key for it. Now the first thing we're going to do is just pop the key in the ignition. Just turn it on so it's on stage 2 there. Just let that clear. You can see the oil, we should have the oil warning, oil change now on display there. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn the ignition off, and then we're going to press and hold this button there while pushing the key in. So I'm just going to take it out again and press and hold the button there, put the key in. Now you can release the button and press the OK button there, and that's reset one stage. Now we're going to turn the ignition off again, and we're going to do the same procedure this time, but we're just going to put the hazard lights on. You get the same message there. Just to reset, simply press the OK button on the steering wheel. If you haven't got the steering wheel controls, you might need to do it with the OK button on the stalk. But that's all reset. You can just turn the ignition off. Hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.